So to edit a post, let's move to the post controller. So here we have the edit function. Let's copy from here and paste here. And here we will receive the post to update. And we need also to send the post to the edit view. So let's send the post. And now we are sending the posts. So let's move, so let's check just here. So here we are in the edit. So we are taking the user to the edit controller. Okay, let's check for the routes. So let's move down. So here we have post edits. And here, okay. Okay, so the route is correct. So let's move to the edit view. So we have here inside the post, we have create the edit. So we will do the same thing like we have done here in create. So let's move to, where is it? To the edit and change everything to the code that we have copied. So here we can remove create and change it to updates. Okay. So now we have the updates. Let's change the route to update, and also we can use here post dot or post slug, not dot, using the post slug. And also inside the form, so here we have all the, so we can use the post title en for the value with all the value. And let's also, before we move, let's change the, or let's override post method to put, because here it's post. So we need, because here we are updating, so we need to change it to put. So here it's put request. Okay. So next, what we have, so not here, but here. So next field is the title fr. So here title an and title fr. And what else we need? We need the body. So here the body en, let's use it. So let's copy and use it here. And also we need what else we need here? The body fr. So let's change it from en to fr. And what else we have here? So we have choose a file. So we can use, so as we have here inside the index page, so you can use the image here to show the current image of the post. So let's use image here, or we can let's add here another div and give it margin top and the bottom of 2, and inside let's add image. Okay. And what else we have? So we have category, and to display the current category we can check. So let's check using the post category ID if it is equal to the category or the current category ID. So we will add here selected. So we don't need to use the quotes, so just selected like this. If not, we will add nothing. Okay. So next we have the button. Okay, so let's try. So now we are, so now let's move to the post. So let's try to edit this one. So it takes me to create new post. So I think I have changed the, so let's see here. So for the, so here we have updates post, and here updates post. Why it's showing? So we did not change the, so let's check here. So it's not changed. Let's change it to edit. Okay. So let's refresh the page again and see what we have here. So we have a problem, undefined selected. So we need to use it with the single quotes, not without single quotes. So let's move. So here let's use selected. So sorry for this mistake. So let's refresh the page, or it's already done. So as you can see, we have here all the fields. So we have the title, ENFR, English body, and French body, and we have the image and the category. So let's add update function. So here inside we have store inside post controller. Let's copy from here and paste here inside the update. Okay, and update needs also the request, and the request is here, and also we need the post that we want to update. So first we need to validate the data as we have seen before, and the image is not required because the user or the admin, he can keep the same image, and we need extension and max. Okay, and here the category ID also is required. And let's do something. Let's move to the post, and let's try to create another post, and let's choose a file that is not an image, and see if we will have the error telling us that this file is not an image. So let's check here. So the image field must be an image, so it's working. Okay, so just I wanted to check. So now let's go back to the edit. So just I wanted to check if this validation is working or not. Okay, so now as I said, so we need first, because the image is not required, so we need to check if the user wants to update the image. So if the request has the image, so that means that the user wants to update the image, so we will update it. Okay, and what else we need? So we need to use the post to update the post. So the post that we have, so we need to call the update method and give it the title, select body, category, and image, and we redirect the user and we tell him that the post has been updated successfully. Okay, so let's refresh the page again and try to update this post. So let's bring something from here and use it here, and here let's add English. Let's use the same thing here and add the French, and let's also update here and use English, and update here and use French, and let's choose file and choose another category and submit. So as you can see, post updated successfully, and here is the post. We have the title in English and in French, the body. Here we have the category and image. Okay, you can move also to, so let's move to the front end and check if the post is updated or not. So let's see here. So here is the post, and it's updated. Okay, so we have the title in English. Let's change the language to French just to check if so here it's still English. So let's see. So it's French, and here it's French, but I think I did not change the show page. Let's check in the home page. So here it's French, and here also it's French. Okay, so just I did not change products details page, so you can do that yourself. Okay, and if we switch to English, so now we have English. Okay, so let's go back to the backend. So now we have done with the updating posts. So what left? So we need to move to delete in posts. So let's do that now.